Hi guys, welcome to another realistic weekend vlog. I always love a slow morning on weekends, so we decided to make a tuna sandwich and have a relaxed time at home for a while, and then after that around noon we went for tile shopping. We dropped our baby at in-laws place because she was a bit too sleepy. We got some tiles for some planned renovation at home, and then we were so hungry, so we went to Thalis on the way.
My world's up in flames. He's loving you.
After going through their huge menu, we decided to order paratha kurma and paneer dosa. The paneer dosa was so good. It was stuffed with paneer masala, and the chutney and the sambar and everything was really good.
Didn't think you'd ever leave me. I never dreamed it would end. He's loving.
The paratha kurma came with 2 crispy parathas, and we were starving and the food was so yum, so we finished it up so quick and ordered filter coffee because we both were so under the weather. And then we got some sweet and got into the car to try them out.
Calling out your name really took me by surprise, girl. I'll probably never be the same. I've got my memories. That's all.
And then we head back to my in-laws place to pick up our baby and go back home.
I'm hating him.
After coming home, we put the baby to sleep and I started soaking all the feeding bottles that were used for the day.
I didn't think you'd ever leave me. Never dreamed it would end. He's loving you.
And then I went ahead and prepared a crispy chicken wrap for dinner.
Fooling his heart goes separate ways. Now I count the minutes. Every minute feels like a day since you went away. Since you went away.
Keeping it realistic, this is how messy our home gets in a day. But anyway, Sunday is always a cleaning day, and also I got a package for review, and then I washed all the bottles and put them in the sterilizer.
He's loving you.
After that, I cleaned up the mess and we went ahead and joined the dinner.
Got my baby.
It's day 2 and I woke up pretty early today, and I'm so excited to have a relaxed Sunday. First things first, I started my morning boiling some water for coffee, and then I had a glass of water. I started preparing for breakfast before I made the coffee. I decided to make a rice flour pit to dal curry and bol sambal for breakfast. it's time to enjoy my morning cup of coffee with nature. And then after that I started making pittu and dal curry, and finally I made the pol sambal as well. I also steam cooked an apple for my baby's breakfast. And that's pretty much my weekend. I hope you guys had a relaxed weekend as well. See you guys in my next vlog.